It is now 4 p.m. on July 11th Beijing time, because we still hold the EURUSD short orders that entered the market at 1.0942 to 1.1010 last Friday night, so did not make new points yesterday. Affected by the decline in U.S. bond yields, the U.S. index broken through multiple supports and EURUSD lows, triggering a stop loss of 1.1017, which was a loss of 7 to 75 points. Then there is gold. Yesterday, it was recommended to go long below 1907. After the release, the lowest price of 1912.7 was $5.7 away from the entry point, and rose to 1938.4 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 257 points. The intraday signals has a strict stop-loss line, and the currency pair does not exceed 75, and gold does not exceed the stop-loss bottom line of 150 points. It's also running down little by little every month and every quarter, and the final winning rate will accumulate, and then there will be obvious good results every year. In addition to the intraday signals, Lauda's master account has also been using the EA program to make high-weight targets, with a principal of $150,000. The first position is usually opened from 0.22 lots, and it is difficult to operate with a large floating loss. Earning limited daily profits through light positions, the cumulative profit from July 1st to today is $5,686, and the monthly income is stable at 10 to 17%. If you want to see historical operation records and keep up with the whole process of real-time trading every day, you can add the contact information on the screen to find me and ask for the password of the master account. The password will be disclosed for a week. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in copy trading. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Nevertheless, the Fed's interest rate hike expectations in the second half of the year are expected to rise instead of falling, so hawkish expectations are still expected to support the short-term rise of the USD index. If a breakthrough indicates a major change in the fundamentals, such as the end of the Fed's rate hike cycle, or the truce between Russia and Ukraine, short selling will still be the main focus before then, and it is recommended to short sell at 1.1068 to 1.1130, put stop loss at 1.1143 within the day. And gold fell back after hitting the resistance of 1938 today, which was also surprised by the high interest rate in the United States and the expectation of interest rate hike. Before the US CPI data lands tomorrow night, it is less likely that funds will enter the market on a large scale, and the probability of maintaining a large range of shocks is higher. The cash price is around 1931, which is far away from the key support and resistance. Wait patiently for the lower support of 1910 and 1900. You can do long positions at 1914 to 1901 with a stop loss at 1899 today. The upper resistance is 1938 and 1950. Because 1938 has been tested, the strength will not be very strong. During the day, you can wait to short sell at 1951 to 1964 at the same time, and put the stop loss at 1966. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing, but it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lauda will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation, and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Tolstoy.